Experience and skill. Two things that just cannot be taught. With over 25 years experience and a skill set that's the envy of others, the workforce at M M Timberframe has built up an outstanding reputation for quality, service and value. A family-run business with an intense passion for everything they do, M M design and build sustainable timber frame buildings and extensions, combining modern methods of timber manufacturing with traditional craftsmanship to create the building that's right for you. Their expert team are with you every step of the way to take on board all your needs and to advise you throughout the entire project, saving you time, effort and worry. They also undertake contract building work too. Make M M Timberframe Ltd your first port of call.